I wanted to show you guys real quickly. I know everybody like loves the idea of working with this stuff, gold leaf. But the problem is it's really hard to move around and to work with, but I figured out a quick little trick, so I'm going to show you. That's what unicorn tears look like, guys. I just have a little rock here, all right? And let's say that we just want to put a cute little design on here. So we'll cover him up and we want to make this half gold right here. I'm just gonna do it with my finger because I'm crazy like that. And you guys are gonna have to wait a second because that has to dry and get tacky. You know what we can dry it with? Hang on. It just occurred to me that I have this for embossing. Like I have a giant heat gun, but we're not breaking out Bubba for that. And this thing's great, by the way. I need to do a review on this. But watch, you just press this little button. I don't know why this never occurred to me. This thing is hot though, guys, so you know, don't melt your face. This is gonna speed this up quite a bit. It's like just very, very hot air coming out of there. Like most of the dates that I go on. Here's the trick that I figured out. Okay, and I know there are gonna be like some true gilding people out there that are gonna freak out when I do this, but please know, I mean you no disrespect. All right, we're gonna take this little guy and we're gonna cut him with the world's best scissors. Mamason titanium, my goodness. Y'all, I cannot even talk about these scissors, how much I love them. Anyway, not that video. I got this from like a bad set of eyelashes that just were not going anywhere near my face. And you can just pick it up like this, put it wherever you want. Obviously that's way too much, okay? And then instead of a gilding brush, we can use a beauty blender. We all know we have more than one, don't lie. Y'all see this? We don't need a fancy gilding brush. I know that there are gonna be some people that are gonna be like, oh, you shouldn't do that. Okay, well, I shouldn't do a lot of things that I do, but here we are. Are y'all seeing this? So you see that nice clean edge that I'm getting? Like pouncing it on there? Oh, it's so pretty. That's what unicorn tears look like, guys. Just pull off this little guy. All right, and then once that's off, just go back in here and just like really press this down. Guys, what? What? I mean, anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.